In this video, I'll show you how to set up Git on your computer. First, open your web browser and go to the official Git website at git-scm.com. Click the Downloads button, and the website will usually detect your operating system automatically. Download the installer for Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the setup wizard. In most cases, you can leave all of the default options selected and simply click Next until you reach Install. After the installation finishes, click Finish to close the installer. Next, open Command Prompt on Windows or Terminal on macOS or Linux. To make sure Git was installed correctly, type Git version and press Enter. If Git is installed successfully, you'll see the version number displayed. Now, it's time to configure Git with your name and email address. These details will be attached to every commit you make. Type git config global user.name, your name, and press Enter. Then type git config global user.email, you@example.com, and press Enter. Make sure you use the same email address that's connected to your GitHub account if you plan to use GitHub. After that, you can verify your settings by typing git config global list and pressing Enter. This will display your configured username and email along with any other global Git settings. Finally, you're ready to start using Git. You can navigate to any project folder, initialize a repository with Git init, and begin tracking your files with Git. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Git on your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.